Do you have a large cell bill? I bet you do. As a matter of fact, today people would pay their cell bills before they would buy food for their house. Believe it or not, that's a stat. Well, Solvay is going to take care of all of that for you because what they've done is converged mobile and social commerce with a healthy referral rewards program. So basically, you get 4G unlimited data, talk, text, no contract for $49.95 a month. So this brand new slick HTC One S that I have in my hand, I'll be paying $49.95 for, plus be getting a healthy amount of cash in my bank just for referring it to other people. Now, does that sound like a great deal? So what's in it for you? Well, what could you do with an extra $300 to $1,000 a month? And once you can learn how to make $1,000 with your cell phone, you can double that and triple that, I'm sure of it. Who wouldn't want to erase their cellular bill each month? Who wouldn't want an extra few thousand in their bank account? As members of Solvay, we'll be able to get discounts at large stores across the nation, Home Depot, Target, Lowe's, Best Buy, just for being a member. And if you're not sure if you can do this, let me ask you this. Can you refer your friend to a good sale? Can you refer your friend to a place or a program that would benefit them monthly? If you can refer your friend to something that would benefit them monthly, you can refer them to a cellular program that's going to bring them 4G unlimited data, talk, text, no contract with slick new phones. Beautiful. How do you get started? Well, just connect with the person who invited you to this video. Find someone online. Because I promise you, the majority of the people who are finding out about Solvay today are saying, wow, this is a no-brainer. It's going to revolutionize the economy and it's going to help thousands and thousands of people save money each month on their cell bill, plus put a healthy amount of money in their pockets. It's a great deal. It's a great idea. It's Solvay.